of the math test, I want to do a performance event with you because it will help you on that part. Okay? Okay. Today we will get ready for the cabinet organization performance task. This task is about organizing items in a cabinet. To get ready for this task, boys and girls, you're going to have to learn about organizing a cabinet. Okay? Who can describe what a cabinet is?
A cabinet is like a wooden shelf where you store your things.
Okay. Anyone else want to help out? Because that was correct. It's a wooden thing to store things in. What else? Ayende?
It helps you organize your stuff.
It helps you organize. Anyone else?
Keep your stuff safe.
Keeps yourself safe.
You can put stuff in it. Get more space.
Okay. Put things in it.
It has more space. That's why there's different shelves.
Describe what it looks like.
It looks like it has more than one row.
So what are these called?
Rows.
Those are rolls?
Shelves.
Shelves. It has shelves on it. Very good. Saeed?
To be more specific, it looks like one of those.
Yes, it does look like one of my my little cabinets right back in the back. You're absolutely right. Okay, well, boys and girls, why is it preferred to have the items in a cabinet organized? Why should they be organized? Stella? You got to talk loudly because I can't hear you and no one else can. Okay, she says so you can know where everything is. What else? Anything else?
Well, if it's unorganized and all over the place, say if it's crammed into the cabinet and one day you open it and it all piles down to the floor.
Okay. Anything else? Sydney?
It's good to keep it organized so that you can find things easily. So you can find things easier so you don't need digging through everything.
Okay. Absolutely right. Anyone else? And someone also mentioned before that it helps protect your things, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Can you describe what it means for a cabinet to be organized? What does it mean for a cabinet to be organized?
Like little files. It has a file shelf. There are other things. Then the collectible shelf and or plate shelf or something like that. Each shelf is for different things.
Okay, each shelf holds something different in it. Zaid?
Well, it's basically, it holds what he said. It holds different things in each shelf.
Okay, pretty much what he said. It holds different things in each shelf. Sydney?
So, like, the size of here is, like, for the top shelf is 6 inches. Maybe you could put, like, small things like canned goods and stuff. And then the second shelf, which is 9 inches, you can put cereal boxes.
Okay, we're going to get to that part in a minute, okay? What types of items can be in a cabinet? What types of items can be in a cabinet? Sanaya? Plates. Micah?
Silverware.
Silverware.
Canned foods.
Canned foods, like she said. Okay. Michael?
Cups.
What? Cups. Chris?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Like the seasonings that you put on.
Okay. Seasonings. What about tools? Can you put some tools in?
Yeah.
Things like that? Okay, great.
About books.
All right, books. How do you know if something will fit on a cabinet shelf? How do you know? Chris?
If it takes up, if it could actually go inside the shelf, or it could take a little space so you can put other things on it.
Okay. I want you to be a little bit more specific. Now, suppose I was putting things on this shelf. How would I know it could go in that shelf? What would I be looking for? What would I be looking for with that? Micah?
To see if it fits inside the shelf.
Fits how?
By measuring it.
One at a time. How, Micah? Are you talking about the width of something? Or are you talking about the height of something? Okay, so how tall something is. That's how you can tell whether it's fitting, right? The height and also the width, right?
Or the area or volume.
Okay, very good. Sydney?
Or you can just look at the side of the whatever item you put inside the shelf and make sure it's 6 or 9 or 15 inches.
Okay, so we want to make sure that that it has a height or length, that the height or length is not greater than the shelf. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, I want you to look at this one. Look at what we have up here. This is a cabinet. It's an open cabinet. It's a picture of an open cabinet right there. And the cabinet is 36 inches long, and it has 3 shelves. The first shelf is 6 inches tall. The second one is 9 inches tall. And the third one is 15 inches tall. So here's the third one. That's the second one. That's the first one. All right. Who can think of an item that would not fit on the shelf that has a height of 6 inches? It would not fit on it. Leonard.
A cereal box.
Why wouldn't it fit on, why wouldn't a cereal box not fit on that shelf with 6 inches?
Because 6 inches is lower than 9 inches.
Okay, are some cereal boxes taller than 6 inches?
Yes.
Okay. Or have you ever seen any cereal boxes shorter than 6 inches?
Yes.
Okay. You see some small ones, but you're talking about like a family size cereal box? Good. Good. Okay, anyone else? What could not fit on that 6-inch shelf? Zaid.
Probably not a chair.
Not a chair. You're absolutely right. Selena.
Okay, trash can.
The trash can, okay? Very good. All right, can you think of an item that would fit on the second shelf but not fit on the third shelf? Here's the second shelf. It's 9 inches. It can fit on this shelf but not on the third shelf. Micah? I want you to think about what I asked you. Can you think of something that you can put on this here second shelf but it would not fit on the third shelf? Can you?
No, are you waiting on me?
Yeah, I'm waiting on you.
Oh, I'm still thinking.
Okay. Sydney,
A stack of books.
so you think that I could put whatever I can put on here, it will not fit on this one?
I think no, because the second deck is high enough. This. So 9. That's hard. No.
Blake,
No.
you can't think of. Okay, now remember this is 9 inches tall. What can I put on here that I cannot put on that one? Nothing, and why?
Because 9 inches is smaller than 15 inches. So whatever could fit in 9 inches has to fit in 15 inches.
You're absolutely right. Did you hear that, Micah?
Yeah.
This is 9 inches, so he said that whatever I can put in on this shelf that is 9 inches, it's got to fit on this one that's 15 inches because this is taller than 9 inches. You're absolutely right. Think of an item that you could put in a cabinet. I just want you to think of one right now. Which shelf would you put your item on in this cabinet and tell me why? Ayanda?
A stack of books.
Okay, which shelf?
I'll put on a 9-inch shelf because like stacks of books can fit up to 9 inches.
Okay, very good answer. Sydney?
Like for the first shelf you could put like candy goods, and then the last shelf cereal boxes and stuff like that, and then the third shelf you could put like a box full of things.
Tell me why. Canned goods on the first shelf, why?
Because the canned goods is like about almost not 6 inches, and it, when you look at how the size is and you try to fit it in there, then it can fit. And then for the 9-inch cereal boxes, like a family size and just a kid size, it can fit inside 9 inches.
Family size don't fit in the 9 inch?
No.
I don't think so. Family size right here? What would the family size fit?
The 15
And then the 9 inch would be what?
the small box.
The regular size,
And then
right?
the third shelf, you could put like a box or something or stuff.
You talking about this third shelf or you talking about the first shelf?
The third,
Okay, third shelf, what would you put on there?
like
You said family size boxes of cereal, right?
or you could put shoes in them.
Where would you put shoes in?
You could put small shoes inside the first shelf, and then like for the second shelf, you could put things that like medium sized shoes, and then the third shelf you could put high boots.
High boots, very good, very good. Anyone want to add something to that? Blake,
You put trophies like the ones we have upstairs.
where would you put the trophies at and why?
In the bigger box, in like the last box.
And what are the measurements for the last box?
15 inches.
15 inches. Why trophies there?
Because they're all very tall. 15-inch trophies
Okay.
that you can put that will fit in there.
Okay. Very good. I just need one item that you would put in there, not all three, so because it takes so long. Okay, Kenya. School supplies where? Which shelf and why?
15 inch.
On the 15-inch shelf.
You could like put the 6
What would you put here? You're saying book bags. Okay. Why? Why would you put book bags? Why did you choose book bags?
not 15 inch.
Because the book bags are what?
No, not
They're not 15 inches.
yeah.
How tall are book bags? Most book bags. What's the average height of a book bag? Here's a book bag. What do you think that is? Is that over 15 inches?
It's bigger than that.
About 15 inches?
It's a little bit bigger than that.
Okay, a little bit bigger than that. We'd have to lay them down, wouldn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Book bags and lie them
Or
up.
you can put a gym bag in.
Okay.
You can put shoes.
What's your item? Shoes? Where would you put them?
6-inch shelf
Why put them on the 6-inch shelf? Why here? Because you're right.
because the shoes are about the same height as 6 inches, but or they may be smaller than that.
Right. So shoes would be about half the size. 6 inches is about like that. So your shoes are about like that. They can slip right into that area. Okay. Sanaya, last one. Picture frames where? Which shelf? 9 inches. Okay. So most picture frames, average picture frames are 9 inches. Very good, boys and girls. Okay. Today we've discussed why it is good to organize a cabinet, boys and girls. Types of items that might go in a cabinet and what would or would not fit on a shelf in a cabinet. These items may help you when you complete your performance task. Are there any questions? No. Okay, you're ready to complete the cabinet organization performance task. All righty.